Hello adventurers, today we'll look into how to download and import animations from Mixamo.com. First let's go to Mixamo.com, select a character. I always chose Ybot because I don't download animations with skins. Select animation you want to download. Click the download button, choose without skin, choose 60 frames per second and as a file format, choose FBX for Unity. Don't forget to download T-pose animation as well, to set up animation rig properly, otherwise sometimes it can cause weird issues. Once download is finished, it's ready to be imported into your game. Select your imported animation, choose animation type, humanoid. As an avatar for T-pose animation we choose, create from this model. For other animations we choose avatar definition, T-pose avatar. Let's choose our character and drop it in the scene. Let's create animator controller for our character. Drop idle animation as animator default state. Let's drop our dance animation and as a transition condition let's choose trigger, called dance. Now we can write some code. Create an animator variable and assign its value an awake method. Let's also create dance trigger hash. Calling animator methods with hashes instead of string names helps performance. Comparing to integers is faster than comparing to strings. If our animator is null we return, so we don't get any errors. Let's listen to keystroke to trigger our dance animation. Now we can check how our animated character looks like. Our hot dog zombie idles at default, and when we trigger dance animation it starts to dance. Nice. This was small animation tutorial from Frenzy. If you found it helpful leave your feedback. If you are interested in any other tutorial let us know and we'll upload it. Thank you for watching. Frenzy out.